On today's menu, a spicy stir-fry that will definitely tingle your fancy. Simple and delicious, pad ki mao. Lei ho ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This noodle stir-fry recipe is so delicious and it's incredibly easy to put together. You can probably even make it today. Let's begin. 3 pieces of garlic, peeled. Small piece of ginger, roughly chopped. I'm going to be using 2 mildly spicy green chilies and a really spicy red Thai chili. Now, if you don't want it super spicy, then definitely remove the seeds. If you don't want it spicy at all, then you can also replace these with some red bell pepper and green bell pepper as well. Do me a solid and remember to wash your hands with soap after you touch peppers. Don't rub your eyes, don't touch your face, don't do anything else. Wash your hands. Pestle and mortar. Sprinkle a pinch of salt onto the garlic, ginger, and chilies. Crush the ingredients coarsely. So that salt actually acts as kind of an abrasive to really help crush the peppers and really gets the juices flowing. Pat dry about 100 grams of extra firm tofu. Slice the tofu into strips. Four to 5 baby bok choy, roughly chopped. Slice in half 3 baby corn. Make the sauce by combining 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon plant-based oyster sauce. Bring some water to boil for the noodles. Unfortunately, my local Asian grocery store does not carry the kind of fresh rice noodle sheets where you can actually slice your own noodles. So I actually was able to find these ones, which I've never used before. These are kind of square-shaped rice noodles that are really, really thick. And all you have to do is just soak these in some boiling water for a few minutes and you're good to go. About 140 grams of noodles. Pour the hot water onto the noodles. Let the noodles soak for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir the noodles occasionally to keep them from sticking. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you like easy and delicious recipes like I do, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook, along with our Young Man Cooking merch or Sushi Masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check those out. Now, let's get cooking. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. 1/4 cup peanuts. Toast the peanuts for 3 to 4 minutes. Set the peanuts aside and place the pan back on medium heat. 2 tablespoons avocado oil, garlic, ginger, and peppers. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Be sure to have a fan on high or a window open. Extra firm tofu. Saute for about a minute. Bok choy. Baby corn. Saute for another minute. Strain out the noodles and add to the pan. Pour the sauce over the noodles. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes and it's done. Plate. Sprinkle over the toasted peanuts. You can now enjoy this delicious stir fry with absolute confidence. I absolutely love dishes that are just so easy to put together and yet absolutely delicious. Boy, that is just kicking with flavor. You really get that delicious spicy bite and that heat from the peppers, but most of all you get that delicious, incredible flavor from the garlic and the ginger being crushed together with the peppers, and just kind of gets those juices going, and then you fry it in that pan and it literally flavors the entire pan. Visually this is just really stunning. It's rustic, it's casual, and you have the rice noodles and the extra firm tofu that absorbs all of that delicious flavor from that sauce. You get the umami from the soy sauce, the saltiness, and the plant-based oyster sauce adds a little bit of that umami, and it also kind of thickens that sauce, adds that sweetness along with the dark soy sauce that imparts this beautiful deep dark caramel color. It's so enjoyable to have these kind of soft chewy noodles along with the contrasting crunchiness of those toasted peanuts that adds that delicious crunchy texture along with the toasty flavor. The bok choy and the baby corn adds that crunchy freshness as well. The extra firm tofu really kind of substantiates this dish, but man, that sauce is so deep and rich, it really brings this entire dish together. This is definitely one of those dishes that's just easy to make, easy to put together, really casual, but absolutely delicious. It's dishes like this that makes it so worthwhile to cook at home and have an absolute blast. If you love easy and delicious recipes like I do, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook to take a sneak peek inside the books, to check out the Young Man Cooking merch, or to watch the first entire class of our exclusive plant-based sushi masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check those out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.